What we did, if you'll go into your design timeline, we had added this feature using these two steps we did, and we had created a shape like this. Here you can see. So whenever in the design timeline, if I'm selecting both the steps by pressing shift on my keyboard, I can select multiple steps, and here you can see this is the feature that is getting highlighted. We had created using these two extrude steps. Now if I want to copy these two same thing onto the other side, there is a very special tool for that, and that tool is known as mirror tool. Here you can see. So if you'll go into your solid tab over here, if you'll expand your create panel, you will find this mirror tool. So I will activate this mirror tool now, and then under the object type inside this mirror window, here you can see under the object type, first I will change this to features, and from the features I will select these two features. Here you can see these two features we had selected. Here you can see these two are selected, two is selected. Now we had to specify the mirror plane along which we want to mirror this object. So mirror plane will always be the center mirror plane, right? Center, something, some plane that is on the center of the body. So I will select this mirror, activate this option first, and then I will turn on my origin, and then I will select this vertical plane because this vertical plane is exactly at the center of my body. So I will select this vertical plane, and the moment I will select this vertical plane, you can see the preview. So the same thing is getting replicated onto the other side, right? You can see the preview. It's not created right now, but you can see the preview just after selecting the mirror plane. So, and the compute type, you can see the compute type is adjust, so that's completely fine. I will press OK, and it will take few seconds to process, and here you can see this is what we created. So we had created a hinge on both sides of this bottom body, right? Something like this. I will turn off the origin now because we don't want to see that in the center of my body.